Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to make a bird feeder for your garden. What you will need for this project is a piece of ribbon, 3 pipe cleaners, 1 small, 1 medium, 1 long in length, and a bowl of grain cereal with a hole in the middle. Step 1. Take your longest pipe cleaner and start threading the circular cereal onto it until it's full. Your pipe cleaner with all the cereal should look like this when you're done. Step 2. Fold your pipe cleaner to make a circle and twist the edges to seal it. Now shape your circle into a heart. Like this. Then fill the other 2 pipe cleaners that are a little shorter than the first one with cereal. Once you're done threading, you should have your hearts that we've already made, the medium-sized pipe cleaner, and the small pipe cleaner. What we're going to do now is take the medium-sized pipe cleaner, and before we close it into a circle, we're going to thread it through your heart you've already made. We're going to twist the ends to seal it off. That looks like this. Next, take your small pipe cleaner, and before you close it off into a circle, add it through, loop it through the medium-sized heart and close it off. You should have something that looks like this. Before we hang it to the garden, take your second pipe cleaner and shape it into a heart. Do the same for the last pipe cleaner. Once you're done, you'll have 3 hearts intertwined like this. It's almost ready for the garden. Take your ribbon and tie it on the top. Make a knot and let's go hang it in our garden.